When you load AdaCAD for the first time, you'll see that it starts with a random draft in the background. And that's just set to some defaults, which assume you're weaving on a loom with 10 treadles and 8 shafts. But that doesn't have to be the case. So you can start weaving any way you like. The first thing you do is decide how you'd like to start, whether you're going to do a new draft, load a draft from a previous AdaCAD file, load a bitmap file, or load a draft that you've saved as a WIF WIF file. So let's say we're going to start a new draft. First, we can specify the kind of loom we're designing for, but this can always change too. It's just a way to get you started. So let's say we're designing for a shaft loom. We have 60 ends and we have 100 weft picks. Since we're in the US, we'll do ends per inch, and our weave density will be 30 ends per inch. This is going to be a very skinny and long weave. I'll go ahead and make this just 100 by 100. Let's say I have 8 shafts and 10 treadles. I weave on a baby wolf. Okay, so again, you'll see it updated the parameters and it generated you a random draft based on your specifications. So if you wanted to, you could go ahead and do this, or you could go ahead and start designing. If you ever want to go ahead and change your loom settings, you can do it in this loom settings tab here on the right. So you can add more warp ends, more weft picks, change the density, or you can do things like specify the width. Right now, we have a width of about 10 inches, it says. So if we change that to 12, it'll automatically add some rows for us that we can design in.